Dear friends, greetings. Namaste. I am Dr. Narendra Malhotra from Global Rainbow Healthcare, Agra. I am a gynecologist. We all know that COVID pandemic has affected our human lives tremendously, and many of our medical colleagues, doctors and healthcare workers have lost their lives in this pandemic. The pandemic is not yet over. It is the second and the third wave which are coming now. There are several medicines which have been tried and which are available, all empirically. Some have evidence, some don't evidence. We were very eagerly waiting for a vaccine, and fortunately the vaccine has come. And there is a messenger RNA vaccine from US, attenuated viral vaccines from other countries, and other viral vaccines which are available in the other countries. Now, most of these vaccines act by producing the antibodies against the spike protein of the virus. And the spike protein on the surface of the virus is how the virus attacks the ACE receptors. There has been a preliminary investigation and reports that those who have been infected with coronavirus and got a vaccine developed very robust antibodies, whereas those who have not been infected and given only the vaccine have a mid response. Unfortunately, 15 to 20% of people have had no response to vaccines, and another 15 to 20% even after the second dose have no antibodies in their blood. Now, we are at no clue. We have no idea why this has happened. It is an evolving science. How the vaccine works, only time will tell. Whether these people who have no antibodies will have sufficient T cell response to protect them from the future COVID infections is also still not very well known. Ideally, it is said that after vaccination, do not get yourself tested. But to know whether you have neutralizing antibodies or anti-spike antibodies is what we need to get tested. So neutralizing antibody test is available very simply with everyone, but that is not recommended because that will come positive only after you get an infection. When you have got yourself vaccinated, what you need to get tested is for the anti-spike antibodies, for the antibodies against the spike protein. Now, this spike protein antibody is important and will tell you whether your vaccine has worked in you or has not worked in you, or how much antibody and how much immunized you are. This is usually done 1 month before the first dose, 3 months after the second dose, and then repeated 6 months after the second dose to know how much antibodies are lasting in your blood and how immune you are after getting vaccination. But remember, friends, even after vaccination, we are not sure whether it will work with the variants and the mutant strains. We are not sure whether this new strain, which is not residing in the nasals and it attacking the body straight away, will be effective against the vaccine, will be effective against this. So till then, take precaution, mask yourself properly, sanitize yourself properly, clean environment, follow social distancing, follow all the COVID protocols, even if you are vaccinated. Be safe. That is what we want. And if you want to get tested, get yourself tested with the antibody against the spike protein, which will tell you whether your vaccine has produced an immune response in you or not. Thank you very much for listening to this.